Hey everyone, I'm back with my new video. This time, this is in the heart of Manly Beach, where kayakers are conquering the pristine water of North Harbour. Get ready for a pure adrenaline of paddling through Sydney's most incredible marine background. This video might be short, but I'm sure you're going to love each and every second of it. Until we meet next time, do take care of yourself.
She puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the